Let us now look at Graham Wallas' creative problem solving approach. Graham Wallas was a British social psychologist and an educationalist. He was also the co-founder of the prestigious London School of Economics. If you remember, in the development chapter, we discussed about the nature versus nurture theory. So Graham Wallas was a proponent or a supporter of the nurture theory. That is, nurture is more important than nature in the cognitive development or the development of a person. And he was also one of the first to propose a relatively complete model of the creative process, that is, the creative problem solving approach. This is a very interesting approach, so let us briefly understand what this is all about. In Graham Wallas' creative problem solving approach, there are 5 distinct steps: preparation, incubation, illumination, verification, and elaboration. During the preparation phase, I try to understand more about the problem. I'm trying to see what is the kind of solution that I'm looking for, what is the data that I have to solve the problem, what kind of resources do I have, and is there any quick or easy fix for the problem. During the preparation phase, this is all the groundwork that I'm doing. However, if it is a very complex problem, I might not be able to solve it during the preparation phase. So I might get frustrated after a while. I might get tired. So then I say, let me get up and go for a tea or go for a walk. Or if it is late in the evening, I might think, let me go and sleep and I will come back and try to solve the problem tomorrow. During the incubation phase, I'm not actually trying to solve the problem. I'm trying to give my brain some rest. I'm either taking a walk or drinking tea or sleeping. Right? But subconsciously, my brain is still trying to solve the problem. And that is the incubation phase. Sometimes during the incubation phase or the next day when I come back to office, I might suddenly get an idea as to how to solve the problem. And that is the illumination phase. See, it's like a bulb that suddenly glows. This is the way that I can solve the problem. Now I have an idea. So I need to verify it. Is this the right approach? Does it make sense? So I test it out. If it works, then I will elaborate it. Elaboration means I will document it, I will implement it. So these are the 5 distinct stages in Graham Wallas' creative problem solving approach.